Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Welcome to the project-based learning presentation. I'm Anthan Rodriguez of third year. Today I'm here to present a project that is ConnectX. My team members are Omkar Kumar, Siddharth and Rahul Telangi. So what is ConnectX? ConnectX is basically a web application through which people can connect with each other in difficult times, like what we saw in the early months of the 2021 in the COVID-19 pandemic. So how does it work? First we will go through the user perspective, then we will go through the backend. So let's begin. So considering I am a user and I need oxygen immediately, so I will click on need. I have either two options: either I can need, either I am a needer, or I can supply something. For now I need oxygen, so I will click need. When I click need, I get to this HTML form, you can say, and here I can add my details so that I can find a person who can provide me with oxygen. So let's begin. So I will add my name and then I'm a needer, and then the essential item I need is oxygen, and then basic mobile number, then Aadhaar card number, I will add my address, as the supplier will contact me, and sometimes people can be sorted easily when they are close to each other. So for that we need the address. Country will add India, and then address will also add India. So there you go, we are we got the contact of so many people. This is a demo data. So let's see the execution of how things work in the back end. First we have the front page, about section. The about section tells us the basic information, what the page is about and what we do. Then we have two buttons, one is need and the other one is supply. When user clicks either of the buttons, the user gets sorted in the database to access the information respective to what they have chosen. From here we go to the detail page. In the detail page we have page we take input from the user with the use of the HTML forms. When they click submit, the data is sent to the database, which is maintained on a MongoDB Atlas server. MongoDB database stores the data in JSON format. How we send data from HTML forms to MongoDB Atlas? We do it with the help of Node.js. Node.js is a backend JavaScript runtime environment which has many inbuilt functionalities, from which we use Mongoose to establish connection between the HTML form and the MongoDB database. With the help of this, we send data to our MongoDB server. Then we have the connection page, which is the final page where we get connected to the people. Here now, when the user has submitted all the details, now it's time to get data from the MongoDB. Here, as on the beginning page, we ask the user for selecting the need or supply, but here data is received in a sorted way. If the person is a needer, then the data he or she is shown is of the supplier, and vice versa. From here the user can take the contact details and contact the person whoever matches to this need and supplier, and thus we connect the needer and supplier through this website. How we achieve displaying the data from database to an HTML? So in the final page we have data coming from the MongoDB server to our final HTML page. So how we did it? Here we used Express. Express is a web framework from Node.js. With the help of Express, we can request data from MongoDB server. Express helps us to specify what all we want from the database and how we want it. Like, we added the sort queries such that the needer will see only the supplier and the supplier can see the needer details, in a way saving time of the user for finding the respective connections. Then we displayed this data we received through Express on an EGS page. It is basically HTML, but we can add JavaScript code on it, hence making it dynamic. So now let us get through our code. So this is the code for the index HTML, that is our starting page. It is basic HTML. Here we just added two buttons. These two buttons redirect to our form. Then in our form, we take details from the user, and we have used, as we said, we have used Express in here, Express in a Node.js framework, Mongoose. This is the code for it, and then in the at the end we receive our connections. We receive it with the help of this index EGS, and with the help of some Express, Mongoose, and a lot of frameworks. So here is our code. So let's now talk about the future scopes of this project. In coming future days, we can make large networks through worldwide, so each and every person will get benefit and fulfill their need. In future, more traffic will be there, so that we can increase security and authenticate the users. We can initiate a reward system for good workers. At last, I want to thank everyone for watching this presentation.